Manufacturers with high product variety have a difficult time achieving their ultimate profit potential. This is because the traditional way of looking at profit generation has been to look at the profit made on each unit. In reality, companies should be looking at the amount of profit made by machine hour rather than by unit. Although most companies collect data on the profitability per unit, they don't match that data up with how quickly these products run through the machinery. Let's take a look at a simple scenario. Product A makes $20 profit per unit, and product B makes $10 per unit. Using the traditional method, everyone would say, make more of product A. But what's not taken into account is the machinery can only make 4 of product A in an hour. However, the same machine can make 10 of product B. Adding the element of time changes the equation and understanding of profit generation. The bottom line is, combining margin and velocity might not be too difficult with 2 or 4 products. But with hundreds or thousands of products, the problem becomes overwhelming.